Hi guys, welcome to the last installment of my empties from 2024 ranking. And today we have mostly fragrances and then a couple like nail products and a couple miscellaneous. But we're gonna start with fragrances. And then slowly transition. Also, in case you're new here, hi, my name's Sasha. I love indie makeup, I love colorful makeup, I love eyeshadows, I love skincare, I love panning and using up products that I own. And I've created a series of all the empties from last year, and I've divided them into categories. So you will have all like ranking all the mascaras that I've tried, like ranking all the moisturizers that I've tried, and stuff, and so on and so forth. So I will link the entire playlist down below and also in the little card. Sorry, I think it's actually around here. And you will be able to see whichever category you would enjoy. So hopefully you'll enjoy that. So that's just kind of to let you know how it looks like and what you can and can't expect. And today we're gonna go into fragrances. So I have 2 full-sized fragrances and then 4 mini like try-on versions. So I always start with the worst, and I think the worst is the Marc Jacobs Daisy Ever So Fresh. This one, is it here how it's described? Addictively fresh and irresistibly joyful, a juicy fruity floral that bursts with youthful energy and everlasting charm. Let me try to spray a little bit because I don't fully remember. But this one is very sweet and pretty, like, yeah, it's like a very punchy, fruity, flowery scent. So I would need this like dialed down, like I would need a more watery version of this, like, and I think this is this Eau de Parfum or is this, where is it? Why can I find it? Yeah, Eau de Parfum. I would need this to be like Eau de Toilette for it to be okay for me, because I don't like too strong of scents. Then what we're gonna put next, like I kind of really like all of them for different reasons. I think the least interesting of them all is the Velvet Dusk by Novelista. This is how it looks like. I really like Novelista. I have this, I have the summer flare, I have the vanilla oud, no, vanilla something, and I also have the citrus affair and the wood something woody. This one, the Velvet Dusk, I actually bought the like the long skinny version. I think it's like 10 milliliters or something, because this I think is a milliliter, 1.2 milliliters. So I bought the like 10 or 12 milliliter one. This one is just like a very soft, it's just like soft but sexy perfume. I can't really tell you like what it smells like, but it's just like sexy and not overwhelming. There's not too many like notes fighting each other. It's just like very harmonious and sexy scent. That's all I can say about that. But I usually like something like, I feel like this one is nice for the night out or something where you want to be like a little mysterious and sexy. Oh god, then it's gonna be super hard. I'm gonna put the, oh god, a fragrance that I absolutely love, and I actually have a full-size version now because of that, is the Eisenberg Eau de Parfum Beautiful. This one is so interesting. This says that it's a crisp, fruity sparkle, woody and powdery with rich, spicy, fresh pink pepper, fruit figs, soft musks, sandalwood and glimmering amber for shimmering, smooth foliage. This is such an interesting one. I've never sniffed pink pepper before, like never. I didn't know what that is. And this one, yeah, it's very crispy and spicy, and it's just such a different thing. Like, yeah, there's the wood, and then there's the pepper, and it's spicy, and then there's this like warmth, and this one is kind of like really sparkling. Like I can see little sparkles whenever I smell this. It's just very, for my brain, it's very interesting scent. I've never smelled before. It is a bit what is the word? Pungent. It is a bit. It can be overwhelming if you spray too much, so I have to be very careful. And I actually kind of like spraying the Velvet Dusk. It's like the main fragrance, and then just pick one area, usually the backside of my neck, for this one, to just add that like a little bit of sparkle, and that little bit of just, and add that little bit of spark, and you know, like, what is this? Because I just kind of really like that. But it is wonderful, and it's such a unique scent that I don't have, and that I don't. It's just something that makes me really curious and interested. I would like to try the other versions of this, because I think there's also the Happy and Young. I think I smelled the Young and I didn't like that, but I would like to try the Happy. But yeah, this one is just the pepper in it. It's just so fun. I need to find like a really soft scent to mix this with. That's my only, like, something that will kind of dial it down a little bit, but still allow the pepper and everything to spark. Then I'm gonna put this one. This is the Mexx Fresh Splash for Her on the toilet. It has 30 milliliters or 1 fluid ounces, and this one is the, what do they say? Feel fresh and confident all day with this fresh floral fruity fragrance, refreshingly crisp watermelon, accord, and sweet orange, and are enhanced by creamy, comforting jasmine notes. Yes, this is very like watery watermelon, kind of like a juice, like a sparkling water with watermelon in there, and that hint of jasmine. I like the packaging. This was my work perfume that I would just, first of all, it's really easy to carry with you, but also it's really nice on the table. It's small, it's cute. I'm a teacher, so I just have like a little desk there, and I would use this all throughout spring and summer and beginning of New Year, I think, like beginning of September. It's a small little one, but it is very soft and playful, and I don't think you're gonna be like bothering anyone with this scent. It's just like a juice type of thing, you know, like, it's not, if somebody has problem with this, they pretty much have problem with anything in the world. So it's very nice. It's nothing like too interesting, but also I don't think I would ever be upset about having this perfume. Yeah, it's just really soft and cute, and I like these more like watery scents and something that's like cleaner. But also I just really like that spicy thing. So that's for the watermelon. It's just like a very nice everyday, you know. The Beautiful is more like something you wear only when you're like feeling like wearing it. Then, absolutely wonderful perfume is the Dermacol Sweet Orange and Honeysuckle Eau de Parfum. I don't like too many perfumes from Dermacol because a lot of them are kind of too strong for me, but this one is wonderful. And it has the orange and the honeysuckle notes. I don't know if there's anything else in there. I can't find the description. But this one is kind of like a fruity lemonade. It has a lot of that citrusy, soft, sweet scent. It's not too overwhelmingly sweet. It's also not too overwhelmingly citrusy. It's kind of that in between. And again, kind of watery, and it doesn't really smell it doesn't really smell like alcohol, which a lot of these fragrances from them kind of smell to me. But this one is wonderful. It's very warm. It's like a cutesy, warm, summery, sweet scent. And this one is, I think, 100 milliliters. No, 50 milliliters. And it's made in Czech Republic. I am from Czech Republic. But anyways, have a wonderful day, and I'll be super happy to see you with another one next time. So, bye!